Hello boys and girls and welcome to our first day of Read Write Inc for this week. Today we are going to be learning to say, read and write a new sound. Okay, our new sound that we are going to be able to say by the end of this is O. 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 And I've got a picture on the back of my card. And it's quite silly. It's got a goat in a boat. Can you say that? Oh, goat in a boat. Superb. Miss Brown's got some O words here on the card. Oak. Oak. Kettle. Oak. Cloak. Oat. Throat. Toast. Toast. Miss Brown had some toast for her breakfast this morning. Oat. Coat. Super blending. So our O sound looks like this. Now you might have seen an O sound before. O, below the snow, and O, phone home. This is another O sound, goat in a boat, made up of two letters, one sound, O and A. Let's see if I can trick you. When I hold the card this way, you're going to say the special friends O. When I hold the card this way, you're going to say O, goat in a boat. Are we ready? Magnet eyes. Haha, see, you can't trick me, Miss Brown. Okay, let's pop our new sounds into our review pack. When you spot our new sound, I want you to point to it and say, oh, there it is. Are you ready? Magnet eyes, loud as you can. Oh, there it is. Super speedy sounds, boys and girls. Okay, moving on to our story green words. Now remember, these are words that has the O sound in them. What we're going to do is spot the special friends. Fred talk, read the word. Miss Brown's just going to choose 3. Okay, special friends. O, Fred talk. Read the word. Toast. Good job. Toast. Toast. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Goat. 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 Last one. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Boat. Boat. Brilliant blending, boys and girls. Okay, moving on to our speedy reading. These are words that we already know the sounds to, so we should be able to speedy read these. I've got a few in my hand for you to speedy read. Are we ready? Magnet eyes, loud as you can. Go! Superb. See about these ones. one. Super speedy reading, boys and girls. Okay, get those antennas out for alien words. Now, these alien words are a load of nonsense, but they help us to read and say our new sound. Are we ready? Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Plod. Gobbledygook. Special friends. Oh, I can spot two. Fred talk. Read the word. What a load of nonsense. Last one. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Those aliens are very silly with their nonsense words. Okay, Miss Brown is going to choose some of your red tricky words to practice. Are you ready? Magnet eyes, loud as you can. I bet you were super speedy at those. You can get the rest of your red tricky words on the PowerPoint and in your book. Before we go, boys and girls, I would like to remind you of practicing your red words, your speedy sounds and your story green words in your Read Write Ink book. This is day one, remember, so you should have a little try of reading through your new book, okay? And I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of Read Write Ink. Massive well done, boys and girls. See you tomorrow.